Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little like Halloween coffin share. I'm gonna make this with you guys. You saw my embellishments the other day, the little coffin shaped like embellies. I figured why not make a coffin to stick these in, just like loosely in there. So this coffin die, it's a box, it's a 3D box, is from Andy's store on AliExpress. As you can see, it has the little notches because this will be the top piece. It does have a layering piece that you can layer different colors, and you can even make a shaker with this. Yeah, if I cut it like this, and then you could put like acetate and do like a shaker somehow, that'd be really cute. But I'm gonna do a tool shaker, so I didn't need this. And then it comes with the rest in peace, which I'm gonna use. This little cross, and then this little like evil looking sun. The cross does look a little German Nazi-ish, so I'm not going to use, I'm going to cover that up with the rest in peace part. I'm going to hide that. Oh, here's my pieces. I cut rest in peace. I know I want that in foam and on glitter, and I know that I want this on top of my shaker. So oh, maybe I should, I'm going to stitch this. Should I just do regular black and then do a really pretty sequins mix? Or this is pretty, but this is purple. I'll do purple just to switch things up. Okay, so there's my little stitch part, and now I'm going to stick some sequins in there. I'm going to make the actual box like a pastel-a-ween style, but inside it's not pastel-a-ween. Sorry, girly. Okay, so look how cute. I'm going to add a little bit more. Super cute, right? So now let me stitch this bad boy closed. Okay, so now I have my little like shaker on there, and I'm just going to go ahead and trim around the edges. Ooh, okay, I hope my orange looks good on here. Yeah, it'll look good. Okay, so there's my little thingy. And I want to go ahead, probably before I pop these out, I'm gonna glue them up. I wonder if I could just line it up on here. Oh yes, I might have saved a lot of work. Oh shoot, I dropped a circle. Okay, so I'm just gonna push down on my die with the, I've never done this before. Let's see if this works. Push it down, push it down, push it down. Okay, let's see. Oh yes. Okay, so that worked, and now I just have to pop out my letters. R-I-P. See, I'm covering up the... There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to glue these down. Okay, so there's my little cross. My little tombstone cross, the rest in peace on here, a little shaker. Now let's assemble this bad boy. I'm going to score on all the score lines. I did go ahead and cut the box out in 110-pound cardstock, so it will be a little bit sturdy. So I'm just going to assemble all the little pieces. So there's the bottom, super simple and easy to make. Let me do the top. Okay, so there's the top. And you know it's the top because it has the little thingies. This was, or maybe it's the bottom, I don't know. So the top, yep, it goes on the top, and it goes on the, like it goes over the entire box. Nice snug fit. As you can see, I toss it. It's not flying off, and you can easily just pull it apart like so. Super cute. This is really easy, and I'm, you know what I'm, you know how I could have took this steppity step further? I could have sewed the panels. Oh, that would have looked cute before I assembled it. Live and you learn. So there's my little casket. It's a tight squeeze. Okay, and here's my embellishments. I hope they fit in here. I don't even think they fit. Maybe at an angle. Okay, they fit at an angle. Whew. That was a close one, guys. Made this box for nothing. Maybe I should alternate. And I think I want to add some crinkle paper to the bottom. I'm gonna add just a little because it was already kind of a tight squeeze. Okay, like so. Sure ain't nothing popping out. I am going to lace. Let's just tie it in a bow. And when all else fails, just cut it off. Cute little cemetery box. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna add my name on the back. Okay, how cute is that? All right, guys, I will catch you on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.